Shake, shake, shake. Yeah.
And please get it.
Yeah, please get one for me. Just one. You already shaking it. Just one? It's alright. Give me one. Show me. Pick one. Show me. Yeah, like this. Let me see if I can see it. Alright. That looks like Dunya. Okay, give me it. Give me that one. Okay, shake, shake, shake.
Lucas can have it.
Lucas can pick one? He's not going to be able to show me one.
Lucas.
You get me another one first, and then we do Lucas.
Okay. Shake, shake, shake.
Yeah? And you pick one?
I pick one now.
Yeah? Oh, you got a big one. Let me see. Turn around. Because it's upside down. Thank you. Okay, who's that? I think that's Kaylee.
Kaylee?
Yeah. Alright, let's see if Lucas can get one. Lucas is too distracted. Lucas, can you get one?
What?
Can you get one?
Shake, bake, shake.
Oh, yeah, he's going to put the hat. Way! Muito bem! Can you show me that one? Woo! Okay, who's this one? Oh, no, Katie. Katie already has the magazine. So, someone else. Pick another one. Okay, turn around. It's upside down. Let me see. Who's that? Melinda. Melinda. Alrighty, that's it. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, say cheery bye-bye. I know you're sick.
Cheerio, bye-bye.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.